First of all, thank you for having me here because I'm quite new in the SingularityNet community, same in deep funding. So I'm representing here the GuardHawk team, and we want to tell you about the user digital data management system that we came out of with, and also that it's also a marketplace. So we know already how Web2 has been already have worked, how Web2 works so far, because as the interaction between users and companies have been generating a lot of data because of the tracking system that Web2 uses. And it's a huge industry that has led to crucial innovation, as for example, AI. That is like the whole purpose of SingularityNet Marketplace. And this is super positive, but in the other way around, we also have some problems that have been happening because of the way it's been built, this infrastructure so far. So on the user side, we have some serious privacy concerns relating on how the data is being used, and also lacking of trust on the digital interactions because they, like us as users, cannot understand how our data is being used and what are the purposes, which data are they using, and etc. That have led to regulators increase different regulations locally and internationally. So for companies, it's also getting, and also for innovation, it's getting a little bit tricky to follow along and to get verified, trusted data to fed the forward on innovations. For example, making AI better, or making new improvements with AI. So we're proposing leverage into Web3 infrastructure and components in order to create enable users to download the data that already is existing in existing servers, as for example Google, Meta, etc., Amazon, for example, and enable them to store them on blockchain on a decentralized protocol, a decentralized storage protocol, where they can manage who and for how amount of time access to that information and receive rewards in exchange. And on the other side, companies will bid into that information, or for example, anyone that wants to train a model here in deep funding, I mean in SingularityNet, they could leverage into verified data, being compliant, and also train fair models rewarding users. The most important, the roadmap, we want to use the funds to do a validation with an MVP and start crafting user acquisition strategies, because it's the most important to leverage into data aggregation for our project.